Tell me why the other day I was walking outside and the wind blew me to the freaking mall. Would you believe it? But I got to the mall and I did some walking around, and guess what store I wandered into? L'Occitane. And I'm probably not even pronouncing that correctly, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Sales associate came over like, can I help you find anything? So she asked me what my budget was. I told her my budget is $100. I am not trying to go over $100. She said, you know what, girl, I can get you 10% off and an extra $20 off on top of that. And one thing you are never going to do is threaten me with a good sale and a good percentage off, because honey, I'm going to take it. I ended up taking the splurge and I got these 3 babies right here. And let me tell y'all, so I've been eyeing this for some time. It's been on my wish list. I really, really wanted to try this. I actually had a chance to try it in store and I loved it. So this is the Amande shower oil. This is very popular. Pretty sure you've seen it all over TikTok, all over Instagram, just anywhere there's social media, you've definitely seen this. I also got this, which I'm also super excited about. This is the Supple Skin Oil. I love me a good body oil, especially one that smells good. I've heard that the in-shower oil, the scent lasts forever. So if I top it with this, I'm pretty sure it's going to last for eternity. That's what I need. So we're going to try this out. I'll update you guys and let you know how I feel about it. I got the Milk Veil. Now, what I tried in the store, I tried the milk concentrate, but it was more expensive. And y'all know I'm broke. And I was like, girl, I'm not trying to go over $100. I need the next best thing that's a little bit cheaper. And that was the Milk Veil. So I got the Milk Veil. But let me ask y'all, because I seen a few people on here saying that this shower oil is not better than Naturium shower oil. So if you tried both, please comment and let me know which one you like the most. But I'm still happy that I made this splurge. It's something I wanted to try for a long time, and it's something checked off my wish list. Either way, I'm still probably gonna purchase both, because if I like Naturium and I like this, I'm gonna spend the money on it. I got a little free gift. So not only did I get my little 10% and then an extra 20% off on top of that, and I did not go over my $100, I also got this free gift, and it's just a few little minis in here. So it's a mini of this is the Shea shower oil. Then it also comes with this little lip balm. This is super cute. Also, a foot cream. You're definitely only just going to get one use out of this, if that. And then the little hand cream. These are perfect for traveling, or if you have a small clutch or like a little mini bag that you're going out with, these will fit in there perfectly. And then it also comes with the overnight reset eye serum, and then what fell was the overnight reset serum, I guess, for your face. But yeah, so shout out to the wind for blowing me to the mall, because I got a good sale on some things that I really wanted for a long time. But please let me know if y'all use the L'Occitane shower oil and Naturium shower oil. Please let me know which one you like the best. And yeah, catch me in the next one. Bye.